You're making six figures. Your salary is impressive. Your bank account, though? That's a different story. Welcome to the high-income poverty trap, a financial nightmare where the wealthy become the broke, where paper riches mask a reality of constant financial stress. This is the phenomenon of being rich on paper while broke in reality, and it affects millions of high earners every single year. Let's be honest. When you earn a substantial income, you feel like you've made it. You think the hard part is over. You landed the job, you climbed the ladder, you're finally at the top. But something strange happens when that money starts flowing in. Your lifestyle doesn't just stay the same. It doesn't even grow slowly. It explodes. You move to a nicer neighborhood. Your home goes from a modest 3-bedroom to a 5-bedroom in an exclusive area. Your car isn't just transportation anymore. It's a status symbol. Your wardrobe transforms. Your dining experiences shift from casual to fine dining. Your vacations become international trips. This is lifestyle creep, and it's the silent killer of high-income earners. Here's the trap. Every increase in income triggers a proportional increase in expenses. You get a raise, you immediately find new ways to spend it. You get a bonus, you upgrade your lifestyle. You get a promotion, you buy something expensive. It's not that you're irresponsible. You're actually following what everyone around you is doing. Your peers are doing it. Your colleagues are doing it. The culture of high earning pushes you toward it. So you spend more and you feel justified. You earned it, right? But then something happens that changes everything. Debt enters the picture. Not just any debt. Massive debt. A $600,000 mortgage on a house that costs $900,000. Car loans totaling $60,000. Credit card balances in the tens of thousands. Student loans that never quite go away. Investment properties with leverage. Lines of credit as backup plans. And then suddenly, your monthly obligations are astronomical. Your mortgage payment alone is $8,000. Your car payments are $2,000. Your credit cards demand $3,000. Your insurance, your property taxes, your utilities, your staff, your children's private school, your country club membership. By the time you add it all up, you're spending 110% of your income every single month. You're going backward while earning six figures. You're stressed, you're anxious, you're trapped. The worst part? Nobody knows. Your social media shows luxury vacations and beautiful homes. Your colleagues see confidence and success. Your family thinks you're winning. But behind closed doors, you're checking your bank account obsessively. You're worried about the next emergency. You're wondering how you'll pay for your daughter's college. You're losing sleep over a market downturn that could force you to sell. You're one job loss away from disaster. This is the high-income poverty trap, and it's real. It's devastating, and it affects far more people than you'd ever guess. So what's the solution? It's not earning more money. That won't fix this problem, because the problem isn't your income. The problem is your allocation. The problem is how you're distributing every single dollar that comes in. This is where the rule of allocation comes in. It's from our master blueprint, and it's the foundation that every high earner needs. The rule of allocation is simple but powerful. It means being intentional about where your money goes before you spend it. It means creating a system that prioritizes your broke-proof foundation over your lifestyle. It means allocating a percentage of your income to security, to investments, to actual wealth building, before you allocate money to lifestyle and expenses. Think about it differently. Instead of earning $100,000 and spending $95,000, you earn $100,000 and allocate 30% to your foundation. That's $30,000 going to eliminate debt, build emergency funds, and create passive income. 40% goes to your lifestyle and necessary expenses. That's $40,000. 15% goes to taxes and obligations. That's $15,000. The remaining 15%, that's your accelerator fund. When you use the rule of allocation, everything changes. Your financial stress decreases because you're building security instead of digging deeper into debt. Your peace of mind increases because you have a real emergency fund. Your wealth actually builds because you're investing systematically instead of hoping something will work out. Your lifestyle still exists. It's still good, but it's no longer consuming 110% of your income. It's sustainable. It's real. It's actually aligned with your actual cash flow. Here's what makes this different from just budgeting. Budgeting feels restrictive. The rule of allocation feels empowering because you're building something first. The truth is this: your paycheck doesn't determine your financial security, your allocation does. A six-figure earner without the rule of allocation is worse off financially than a $40,000 earner who allocates properly. One is stressed and trapped. The other is building something real. One is rich on paper and broke in reality. The other is actually building wealth, no matter what their income is. Your broke-proof foundation matters infinitely more than your high paycheck. Your foundation is what keeps you safe when income dips. Your foundation is what lets you sleep at night. Your foundation is what creates actual wealth, not just the appearance of it. Without it, your income is just a treadmill. With it, your income becomes a wealth-building machine. The difference is the rule of allocation. The difference is intentionality. The difference is deciding right now that you're done being trapped. You're done being rich on paper while broke in reality. You're ready to build something that actually lasts.